The International Day of Women and Girls in Science, celebrated on February 11th, is an observance established by the United Nations to promote full and equal access to and participation in science for women and girls. This day is a call to action to overcome gender stereotypes, encourage girls to study science, and promote the scientific achievements of women. The day was established to recognize the critical role women and girls play in science and technology. According to UNESCO data, 2014 to 2016, less than 30% of researchers worldwide are women, and only around 30% of all female students select STEM-related fields in higher education. The International Day of Women and Girls in Science is a recognition of this gap and a commitment to achieving gender equality and the empowerment of women and girls in science. It's a day for reflection, advocacy, and action. Schools and educational institutions may host workshops, science fairs, and symposiums to inspire girls and young women. Science and research institutions, as well as governmental organizations, often hold conferences to discuss policies and strategies to increase the participation of women and girls in science. One key point to remember about this day is its role in challenging the status quo and inspiring a new generation of female scientists who will lead and innovate for the betterment of our global society. From a professional perspective, the International Day of Women and Girls in Science serves as an integral part of the global movement towards gender parity in all sectors. It is a day to celebrate the contributions of women scientists and to inspire structural changes within the scientific community to promote gender diversity and inclusion. Emerging trends on this day include digital campaigns, mentorship programs connecting established women scientists with girls, and increased international collaboration to support women in science. Reflective questions to encourage audience engagement. How can we create environments that support and encourage girls to pursue scientific careers? What impact could achieving gender parity in science have on the world's most pressing issues, such as climate change or public health? How can we celebrate and make visible the achievements of women scientists in our communities? Drawing parallels to other global diversity events, like Ada Lovelace Day or the UN's He for She campaign, the International Day of Women and Girls in Science emphasizes the importance of inclusive representation and the benefits it brings to innovation and knowledge. Other communities can engage with this event by hosting their own awareness-raising activities, advocating for policy changes, and supporting nonprofit organizations that work towards women's and girls' education in science. In conclusion, the International Day of Women and Girls in Science is not only a celebration but also a catalyst for change, driving towards a future where women and girls have equal opportunities to contribute to scientific discovery and innovation. The big takeaway: the International Day of Women and Girls in Science is a powerful reminder of the potential that lies in every girl and the transformative power of women in science, essential for building a more equitable and sustainable future. This content is part of the Diversity Calendar Kit, offered by Diversity for Social Impact. Copyrighted by Diversity for Social Impact.